A blessed day, everyone. Welcome to another townhouse viewing, a hidden gem here in West Avenue, Quezon City. So, as we enter this 126 square meter lot area of unit and a 504 square meters floor area, this is an interesting property because napakalaki, napakatahimik ng road. As you can see, facing southeast po yung area, kaya afternoon po, hindi po mainit. So, meron din pong roof deck and pagpasok po natin, pasok po tayo sa property. Yan, this is a 3-car garage. So, dito po, pwedeng 1 car, tapos adjoining po yung 2-car garage dito. So, pasok po tayo sa brand new property pong ito. So as you can see, dito po sa area na to, kasya ang 2-car garage. Yan, ito po ay L300 po na nakapark temporarily. At kasya po dito ang isang car. So makikita nyo, napaka-spacious ng garage. If you have 3 cars, kasyang-kasya po dito sa area. So this main gate, as you can see, napaka-huge po ng ating main gate. Smart lock na po, powered by Philips. Yan. So ito yung ating living room area. Yan. So makikita nyo, high ceiling po siya. Pwede po kayo maglagay ng chandelier upstairs. Yan. So dropping this portion, so napaka-luxurious ng feel. Actually, in the finishing stage pa po yung unit, kaya may mga konting reworks lang po na ginagawa. So this area naman po is a sample dining table, pero hindi po kasama sa unit to. You could put a 6-seater or an 8-seater perhaps dito sa area to as your dining. Yan. So pwede po rin lagyan ng sarili yung chandelier dito sa ating dining area para ma-enhance po yung ating look ng area. Ito po yung ating preparation table. You could put your ovens here, your condiments. Yan. So dito naman po yung ating breaker system. Breaker panel na naka-concealed sa ating cupboard. Here sa ating kitchen, makikita niyo po yung area for our 2-door ref. Yan. Pwede yung top-top na ref. Yan, yung umiilaw. Dito naman po yung ating lagayan ng mga groceries, pantry area. Ito po yung ating kitchen countertop. Yan. So, dito nyo po ilalagay yung oven, yung ating range hood here. At dito naman po yung ating preparation na double sink. Yan. At ito yung faucet natin. Ito yung mga preparation area. Dito naman po sa part na to, pwede po itong bar counter or breakfast nook na kasya po ang 3-seater. This is a multi-purpose room. Pwede po siyang gamiting elderly room. Pwede rin pong office. Yan. So, makikita nyo po pagpasok. Yan is the toilet and bath, yung water closet, yung ating lavatory area, and the shower area. So, don't worry if you finish naman po upon complete turnover of the unit. So, naka-sliding door po siya, yan, para space saving po. Yan. Pagpasok po ng unit, ample space for a double-sized bed. So, kasyang-kasya po, and on this corner, meron pong ventilation yung ating room. So, dito rin po may ventilation. So, makikita nyo, napakaraming wires po, na tinatapos pa po kasi po kasama na po ang 12-channel CCTV sa unit. So makikita nyo rin yung ating devices, metallic gray series po siya na wide. So makikita nyo yung ating mga outlets, universal with ground na rin po ang ginamit. So branded po lahat yan and of quality. So tara, akyat po tayo sa ating second floor. So makikita nyo, napakalapad po ng ating staircase. So kasya po ang dalawa simultaneously na umaakyat or akyat baba po, hindi po magkakasalubong. So malalapad po rin yung ating steps. Buhos po siya na overlaid ng mahogany planks po. Ito po yung ating cove ceiling na meron pong pwede pong lagyan ng chandelier na accent para sa ating living room area. So imagine, maglalagay po kayo ng isang drop chandelier po na mahaba. So adding to the sophisticated feels of this townhouse unit. So this is our master's bedroom on the second floor. So makikita nyo, every floor meron po tayong miniature breaker panel. Yan. So para sabihin kung in case na magkaroon ng electrical problem on every floor, meron kayong ability to shut it down. So pagpasok po natin is a main frame door, a main door na 80 by 210. So super laki, almost 90 na siguro nga to eh. Yan. Pagpasok po natin, wait, meron pong cabinet dito. Yan. So for extra storage space, pagpasok, ni-utilize po yung part na yan. Well lighted po yan ng strip light, LED strip light sa loob para hindi na po kailangan magbukas ng ilaw. Ang ating floor is made out of premium vinyl on the light brown side. So makikita nyo, imagine your king size bed or extra king size bed would fit here. And pwede po kayo maglagay ng side table on his or on her side. Yan. So may mga switches na rin na naka-embed. Yan. So merong accent po dito na LED sa ating bed frame. Ito po yung media wall natin. Ginawa lang pong basic, kayo na po ang bahalang mag-design. Meron na rin pong abang para sa ating split type air conditioning unit. So this would perhaps cover a 2.5 horsepower para po ma-feel lang po yung room ng malamig na hangin. Yan. So this side, yung ating balcony. Yan, yung ating balcony area. So kung makikita nyo, ang laki. Sa side na yon, may wood panel po na design na tiles. Yan. Tapos may lights, makikita nyo, equipped with CCTV po yung ating area. So even at night, yung ating area is tahimik po. Malapit din po siya sa Trinoma, SM North. So West Ave, Timog, napaka-easy access nitong place na to. So it is every woman's dream to have a walk-in closet inside the privacy of their master's bedroom. And here it is. I would like to welcome you to the master's bedroom walk-in closet of this unit. So makikita mo, made of premium aluminum with tempered glass na matte finish po. Yan. So, glaze po siya ng frosted po. So, hindi nakikita yung clothing nyo inside. At the same time, meron po tayong mga LED strips para makikita po yung ating mga clothes. Here is where you hang your gowns, your suits. Yan. So, kasyang-kasya po. On the other side, yan, no? Di kayo mag-aaway. His and hers. Pero, wait, palaging hers yan. Mas marami tayong clothes. Yan. So, dito rin po sa taas, meron din pong cabinet. Yan. So, kahit dito, hindi mawawalan. Yan. So, ample space. So, the developer of this unit has you in mind. Yan. So, ito naman yung ating bathroom area. So, hindi na po nila nilagyan ng cover. It's up to you kung gusto nyo pong lagyan ng sliding door dito. Here is a urinal and a water closet for his and hers, di ba? So, ito po yung, ang brand po nito ay Koto. Ito po yung granite countertop na may lavatory sink. At dito po, meron din po tayong drawer. Yan, para sa mga toiletries po natin or sa mga towels. Yan. So, dito po, may space for the vanity mirror na kayo na po magkakabit. Dito po, pwede kayo maglagay ng mga decors, toiletries, na mga kasama. So, meron na rin exhaust fan yung ating unit. So, ito naman po yung ating shower area. May shower enclosure, glass shower enclosure. At dito po on this side ay yung embedded toiletries holder. Yan. So, kasama na rin po yung built-in shower natin and rain shower overhead. To enter the secondary room in the second floor area, tara, pasok po tayo. Yan. So actually, makikita niyo yung secondary room, napakalaki po. Kasya po king size bed. Yan. So kagaya ng master's bedroom, meron din po siyang LED lighting dito. May cove po on here, dito sa headboard panel. Same with our ceiling, meron po tayong cove panel at may mga LED pin lights na kasama. Napakalaki po ng room. Aside from that, napakalaki din po ng ating windows for extra ventilation. So, if you prefer na hindi mag-aircon, pwedeng-pwede po. Dahil po, napaka-spacious, safe, na may grills, at ito rin po yung ating fire exit area. Pero mahangin. Yan. Who wouldn't miss this entertainment wall with matching walk-in closet? So, kung makikita nyo, kagaya ng ating mga walk-in closets sa every room, yan, premium ang ating finish, molded cabinets with LED lights inside. Yan. So, automatic po siyang nagko-close ang lights as we close the cabinet. So, energy saving din. Ito yung ating media wall. You put your television. Yan. Yung ating mga decors. Ganon din dito. Yan. The secondary bedroom has its own ensuite, toilet, and bath as well. So ito po yung ating shower area na may shower enclosure with overhead rain shower. Tapos meron din pong ventilation on that side. Meron din po tayong lavatory at ang ating water closet on this side. So dito po sa third floor, makikita nyo medyo madilim po, no? Pasensya sa ating mga viewers dahil under maintenance po yung electricity dito sa third floor. Pero makikita nyo kahit walang electricity, maliwanag pa rin yung area. So makikita nyo po dito, pwede po itong family area, napaka-spacious. Ito po yung ating entertainment wall. You could gather together here instead sa living room sa ground floor. Same sa second floor, meron din pong sariling breaker panel dito sa third floor. And pagpasok nyo sa kwarto, meron din po siyang cabinets. Yeah. So same na same po yung layout dito sa third floor, just as the second floor. So ito po yung ating secondary bedroom dito sa third floor. Same as dun sa second floor, napaka-spacious. Merong ample ventilation, may cove light, tapos may mga modular cabinets. So all in all, you have 4 bedrooms with own bathroom. Meron pang isang multi-purpose room sa baba na pwedeng elderly. And what's next on the 4th floor? Hello! Welcome po sa 4th floor. Ito po yung meron sa 4th floor. This is an interesting thing kasi hindi lahat ng townhouse unit ay meron. But because of the large size of the property and the floor area na napakalaki, 504, so may ample space para sa party area. Actually, pwede pa kayo mag-held ng Zumba here. Yan. So walang worry if you want to dry your clothes, if you want to have your party, pwede maglagay ng portable pool here. Best na best po para sa family. Makikita niyo po, meron pong sariling toilet and bath dito sa roof deck area. Yan. Basic lang po. Tapos dito po yung ating skylight. Meron po siyang covered, pero makikita niyo, nakikita yung sunlight dyan. Ito naman po yung part ng open air well ventilation. Meron din po siyang canopy here, kaya hindi po mababasa yung area doon. So kung makikita nyo, pwede siyang gawing sampayan. At yung spiral staircase naman dito, para po yun sa ating overhead tank na kasama na rin po sa unit. So dito sa 4th floor, makikita nyo, no, napakalaki po ng ating function area. You could actually held your parties here. Pwede dito po yung catering, dito yung ating mga tables and chairs, at pwede pa pong i-extend sa roof deck area. Pwede rin po itong maging conference room if you're a businessman. You could put your conference room here. Or you could stay here, probably at the 4th floor, at the topmost floor. Meron po siyang balcony here. Ayan. So kung makikita nyo, maganda po ang view, tahimik. You could hear the birds chirping here. Dahil po tahimik na tahimik po yung area. If you are interested in this property, a 4-story unit here at the heart of West Avenue, Quezon City, so just give me a call. This is your licensed real estate broker and appraiser, Nancy Shaw Guerrero, willing to give you a complete house or an actual viewing of this unit. Just schedule ahead of time and we'll surely visit this place. So thank you very much for all your support, for viewing this full house tour here in Quezon City. Till my next vlog, bye!